On today's video, I bring to you this powerful tea spray that can help you to thicken up your hair, grow your hair super faster. Your hair will be too thick for you to handle in using of this powerful tea spray. I guarantee you 100 guarantee results. A lot of people are letting down on the ingredient, but if you use this powerful tea spray in this year 2025, you're going to see a great change on your hair. Your hair will grow like super longer. This powerful tea spray also helps to regrow your hair in crown section, thicken up your edges. So if you want to know how to make this powerful tea spray to control your hair fall, to thicken up your hair and also your itchy scalp, you need to watch this video to the end.
We were trying to feel alive.
To make this powerful tea spray, the first thing to bring my bowl where my first ingredient is hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower stimulates hair growth, prevent premature graying, condition hair, prevent dandruff and smooth your scalp. So this amount of hibiscus flower I'll be making use of. My next ingredient is cloves. Cloves enhance blood circulation. Cloves has property that can help stimulate blood flow in the scalp, which may promote hair follicles, activate and encourage hair growth. Cloves contain vitamins and mineral and fiber that can nourish the hair follicles and support overall healthy hair growth. I make use of 1 tablespoon of my cloves. Moving on to my next ingredient, I have black tea. Black tea help to stimulate hair growth, reduce hair loss, reduce oiliness from scalp and treat dandruff. It's high antioxidants and the caffeine promotes healthy scalp and healthy hair growth. This is the type of black tea I'm making use of. Use any type of black tea you have, and I make use of 2 bags of my black tea. Moving on to my next ingredient. So I'm making use of fresh moringa in this recipe. Moringa contains vitamins, mineral and fiber and fatty acid that nourish hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. Moringa contains zinc, iron and calcium, which can help strengthen hair and prevent split end. Moringa contains antioxidants that can protect hair from damage caused by free radical and oxidative stress. Moringa contains omega-3, which can help reduce moisture in the hair. Moringa contains biotin, which can help increase the oxygen support in the scalp. So I have plugged my fresh moringa. This is how it look like. So I'm going to wash it off camera. After washing it, I wash it up to 3 times. So this is the 3rd time now. So make sure that you wash it very well because to remove the dirty on it. Guys, keep on watching this video. You need to watch this video to the end to see the best way to use this tea spray and also to see how to prepare it for the best way. You don't need to skip any part of this video because any part of this video you skip, you're going to miss a lot. So after putting my fresh moringa leaf into my cooking plates, I'm going to transfer the other ingredients. So next thing, I pour in water. Please make sure you are using clean water to do this process, okay? If your tap water is not that clean, you can use bottled water or pure water. Make sure the water you are using to boil this is super clean, and also your cooking pot is also super clean, okay? So this is how it's looking like. I'm going to boil this off camera. After boiling it off camera, I bought this only bought 10 minutes. So once it's 10 minutes mark, I brought it down and I like to cool down. I leave this thing to cool down over 4 hours. That is why it's darker like this. So after I like to cool down for hours, so I'm going to strain it. Do you see how powerful this tea spray is looking like? This tea spray is looking very dark. This tea spray is very potent. You don't need to joke with this tea spray. Using this tea spray on your hair consistent the way I'm about to direct you on this video, you're going to see great change on your hair. If your hair always falling excessively, if your hair is thinny, if you always pack half of your hair whenever you lose your hair, with this tea spray, say bye bye to that hair breakage, say bye bye to that hair loss, say bye bye to that excessive hair shedding. This tea spray is going to do a wonderful thing on your hair. Do not let down on this tea spray, okay? So if you have the moringa powder one, do not worry, I will tell you how to use moringa powder one also later on this video. So this is how my tea spray is looking like after transferring it into my spray bottle for easy application, okay? So this part is very necessary. So how to apply this tea spray for best results. This is the stage of my hair. This is how my hair is looking like. Using this tea spray, you need to use it on a fresh wash hair. I repeat, use this tea spray on a fresh wash hair. Do not apply this tea spray on a dirty hair. If you desire to see the best result on using this tea spray, if you desire to see the faster hair growth, if you desire to see the faster results on this tea spray, don't use this tea spray on a dirty hair. Make sure that your hair is clean before you use this tea spray. Okay, so I'm going to use this tea spray as my leave-in condition. Okay, so use this tea spray as your leave-in. The best way is allow this tea spray to sit on your hair. That's the way you're going to see the magic result on using this tea spray. Whenever I want to use this tea spray, if you want to go on challenge with this tea spray, please take a picture of your hair for you to see, for you to know how effective this tea spray is. Take a picture of your hair, how your hair was or how your hair is shedding. Take a picture of it and go on challenge with this tea spray for me for 2 weeks. The result we got on using this tea spray is mind blowing. The result will surprise you. You'll be shocked on the result to be gotten on using this tea spray on your hair. Okay, after then, wash your hair. Okay, so if you always wash your hair once in a week, if you always wash your hair once in 2 weeks, please apply this tea spray on your hair until your wash day routine. You're going to see a great change on your hair, especially in that your problem areas. Focus on that your problem areas, and you're going to see a great change on your hair. It's going to combine your shedding to nothing, reduce your itching scalp, reduce your dandruff, grow your hair super long and thicker. Guys, I'm not kidding. A trial will convince you. This tea spray will shock you. Like as I said, I'm not joking. I have tried this tea spray a lot on my hair. This tea spray have given me a lot of results, and people that also share this tea spray with, they always come back with a great result. Okay, with a great feedback to me. Okay, so another way to use this tea spray is a final thin rinse. This is only 2 ways I can tell you to use this tea spray to see a great result. After washing your hair, pour this tea spray all over your hair, massage your scalp, cover your hair, allow your hair to track some heat like 1 hour, 40 minutes or 30 minutes. Then remove your shower cap. Do not rinse it out. If you still to rinse it out, just rinse it out a little bit and make sure that the tea spray is still on your hair. But our device, you do not rinse it out because this tea spray do not smell horrible. It's very okay. It don't have anything to worry about the smell. So don't rinse it out and moisturize your hair. Whenever you do tea spray, the key of this tea spray is moisture. Make sure that you see in your moisture, like using your leave-in condition or your hair butter. Next, follow up with your oil to see in that moisture. Guys, you're not going to regret making this tea spray. You will not regret coming across this video because this video is what you need to grow your hair in this 2025. To grow your hair like crazy. Using this tea spray before a month, you're going to see how your hair will change. Guys, I'm not joking. I can't wait to hear your feedback when you use this tea spray on your hair. So how many times can you apply this tea spray? If you want to use it as your moisturizer, you're not going on challenge with it, use this tea spray 3 times in a week. But if you want to go on challenge with this tea spray, please apply it every day on your hair. And while applying it every day, do not apply leave-in condition or hair butter every day on your hair. Okay, so that you're not going to cause product build up. So use that leave-in condition or hair butter maybe 2 days gap. Okay, and the first day you're going to use, make sure you moisturize your hair very well. Okay, so storage, store this in your refrigerator only but 5 days. Anyone that remaining, please discard it and make a fresh batch. And whenever you do this spray, make sure you give yourself a gentle scalp massage. I always say this on the channel, massaging is the key. Okay, and also massaging will help blood to flow on your scalp. If you are using the powder moringa tea, if you are using the powder one, please just put it in a bowl, or you can also boil it the way I boiled this one and allow it to cool down, or you can infuse it by infusion method. Put it in your jar, pour the other ingredient, pour in hot water, cover it up to breathe like 12 hours to 9 hours. You are good to go. Okay, so but if you can reach your hand on the fresh moringa is more very potent than the powder one or than the dry one. Okay, but if you don't have option to reach your hand on the fresh moringa, please use the powder one if it's what you have, or the dry one if it's what you have. Okay, so this tea spray is all you need to grow your hair in this 2025. Guys, after then, massage your scalp, like as I said before. Tuck your hair away. We are in dry season when our hair dries a lot. Do not leave your hair out, okay? It's going to help you to retain moisture. And also try to sleep with satin bonnet. It also help your hair to grow, and also help you to reduce hair fall, and also help to retain moisture on your hair, okay? So I hope this video is very helpful to you. If there's anything I did not cover up on this video, please let me know in comment section below, okay? And please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Click on that subscribe button to join this beautiful family. Believe me, you're not going to regret it. Here in this channel, I teach how to grow your hair with DIY's home remedy without breaking the bank. So if you want to grow your hair healthy, longer, fuller in this year 2025, you need to join this beautiful family. Welcome to the family. Thank you for joining us, okay? And please like this video for me. It helps YouTube to put the video to more audience, and also it helps the growth of the channel. Lastly, share this video to your family and friends. It's going to help a lot of people out there. There's a lot of sisters, brothers that are looking for this recipe to grow their hair, okay? This will be closing today's video. I love you guys so much, but God loves you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.
Sign me up and tell me about the people